What is up guys, Anton here, and today we'll be taking a look at one of my favorite gaming peripheral brands, Glorious, and their brand new release, the Glorious Model O Pro Wireless. Now, they finally released a mouse that everyone has been asking for, finally removing the very divisive honeycomb design, while still offering an incredibly premium mouse for only a fraction of the price of the big name flagships. But before we get on to the video, here's a quick word from everyone's favorite shopping app, Lazada. What is up guys, Anton in blue here. And before we dive right into this mouse, I just want to let you guys know that you can get this device over on Lazada. Now, I did get this Glorious Model O Pro Wireless over at Rotobox, and you can check out their Lazada store in the description box down below. Now, 11/11 is just a few days away, so you might just catch this mouse at a noticeable discount. But if you don't find it, another mouse I would recommend is the Pulsar X2 Mini Wireless, or if you are on a tighter budget, the base Glorious Model O or Model D you can get at a lower price by stacking vouchers. And you can get it fast and with free shipping thanks to 11/11, Lazada's biggest sale this November 11 to 13. Of course, hindi lang gaming peripherals ang naka-sale ngayon. Just check out your homepage at doon mo makikita ang branded Laz Flash deals that can get you up to 90% off of your favorite items, hindi lang gaming. And not only that, you can also stack vouchers for an even bigger discount. So, what are you guys waiting for? Add to cart na. So, sadly, this is a limited series from Glorious Forge, their group buying platform. So if you do see this mouse and you are looking for an upgrade, this is a great pick, especially if you are into lightweight ambidextrous gaming mice. And so far, I've only seen this supplied in DataBlitz and Rotobox. It is priced at around 5,300 pesos, a little pricey but significantly less than the other flagship offering from big name brands. And with 11/11 coming up, you definitely should save up those vouchers and see if you can cop this at a lower price. Now, with that being said, let's get right into the Model O Pro Wireless. Starting off with the packaging, we are getting a vastly different design from previous Glorious mice. It now comes in this super lightweight gray box here with some color accents to match the mouse inside. Now, inside the box, we're getting the Red Fox version of the mouse here, which features a very soft hue of red, almost orange. Really. It comes in a two-tone finish, which does help it stand out from the monotonous genre of gaming mice. Usually puti or black lang sila. The extender dongle and wireless receiver combo is the most premium I've tried out so far. Unlike the regular Model O, this is just a plain black dongle with no extra designs, and one side comes with a rubber finish to better fix itself on your table. And of course, we are getting the Ascended cable right here that comes in at a length of 2 meters, which you use to plug in the extender receiver combo and of course to charge the mouse itself. The Ascended cable is paracorded and is super lightweight and flexible, so you can use this in wired mode while the mouse is charging and you won't even notice it's there. These two little features really stand out because in my opinion, the cable and dongles feel superior in quality compared to the flagship from Logitech, the G Pro X Super Light, a mouse I've already replaced with this one and for significantly less in price. Getting into the mouse itself, this features the first solid shell from Glorious, I believe. They've made a name for themselves in the gaming mouse industry with their awesome price and performance, but the honeycomb design is most likely what deters other people from trying their products. At the bottom, we are getting pre-installed rounded PTFE feet here, so as with all Glorious mice, the glide is quite immaculate, and the textured finish on the top is vastly different from their previous matte finish mice. And I've noticed it does give me more control with less chances of slipping, even with my sweaty hands. This is largely the same form factor of the regular Model O wireless, An ambidextrous mouse with very slight curvature in the middle and a perfect height, well suited for a palm grip or a more relaxed claw grip. Now, even with a solid shell on the top and the bottom, this mouse comes in at only 55 grams, making it even lighter than the G Pro X Super Light from Logitech. And from my testing, squeezing with both hands, structural integrity is pretty up there with no perceivable flexing on the shell. And even at that weight, we're getting 6 remappable buttons, still featuring the accessible DPI switch under the scroll wheel that you can remap to other functions, of course. These side buttons are pretty flush compared to other mice and provides a pretty thocky click. Now, all the buttons are running on the premium feeling Glorious switches that are rated up to 80 million clicks. Now, with my experience with Glorious mice, I have yet to run into double-clicking issues even with long-term use. Now, as for RGB, well, there are none. Save for the DPI stage light on the bottom, the battery indicator on the top as well, that just lights up if you have low battery or when it's charging. Now, speaking about battery, what convinced me to get this mouse is that it does have an 80-hour battery life in one charge, so that means you really only have to charge this mouse once every 1 to 2 weeks of daily use. Now, I did notice that standby time is not optimized just yet, meaning if you leave this mouse turned on, it will continue to drain the battery. Now, that is not the case with the Model D wireless I have, so this will most likely be addressed in a future firmware update. Now, luckily, getting that update is super easy with the Glorious Core app you can download on your PC. This is where you can edit all the macros and keybinds on the Model O Pro wireless. The Glorious BAMF sensor you're getting here can go from 100 to 19,000 dpi, and you can adjust it to whatever dpi you like in Glorious Core. This app also accurately displays battery and notifies you when battery life is low. Again, super useful stuff here. So that is the Model O Pro wireless, a well-built hyperlight gaming mouse at only 55 grams. The brand new textured finish is super grippy, and the two-tone colorway makes it stand out from the monotonous gaming mouse genre without relying on RGB. Glorious again provides top-tier products right out of the box, like the Ascended cable, the wireless receiver, the mouse itself, and to the small things, even with high-quality PTFE feet, all for almost half the price of flagship products from Logitech and Razer. Now, this is a limited run Glorious Forge item, so make sure to check out your nearest DataBlitz and Rotobox PH before stocks run out here in the Philippines. So what do you guys think of this mouse? It's definitely pretty, but far from the traditional gamer look. And now I've been using this a lot with the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and I can safely say that I'm never going back to the Logitech G Pro X Super Light. This is all I need. Once again, my name is Anton, and I'll see you guys next time.